The old typewriter sat on my grandmother's desk, keys dusted but untouched for years. Tonight, after midnight, the house groaned under the weight of a storm, wind rattling the windows like whispered warnings. The power had gone out, and I wandered the dark halls with a flashlight that flickered nervously in my shaking hand. Then I heard it. Click, clack, ding. The unmistakable sound of keys striking paper. The typewriter was unplugged, its ribbon long gone, yet the carriage moved on its own, and words appeared on yellowed paper. It typed my full name. Then, in sharp black letters, "You stole from mother's purse, age 7. My breath hitched. No one else knew that secret. Another line followed. "You buried the locket in the garden." I stepped back, heart pounding wildly. The keys rattled faster, spilling secrets I'd buried deep. Betrayals, lies, fears I thought forgotten. The final line froze me. "You're not alone in the room." I spun around, flashlight trembling, but the beam caught only my own terrified reflection in the window. Behind me, the typewriter clacked one last time. "It's still watching." The carriage slid to the end and stopped. The silence that followed was absolute, yet I felt cold breath brush the back of my neck.